Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to slow down VoiceOver in Canva. This is useful if we want to adjust narration speed for better clarity or timing in our videos. Now let's get started. On our Canva dashboard, for example, if this is our voice and we want to slow down the VoiceOver, all we have to do is click on the apps here on the left side of the dashboard. Then we search for Voice EI and click on it. Once we're here, we just need to select the voice or audio we want to adjust. Let's say, for example, this is our audio. Now, we will lower the speed from normal. The speed of 1 is normal, so we just lower it to 0.8 or 0.7, depending on our preference. We can also adjust the volume and the pitch here. But if we want to slow down, we just need to lower it from the normal speed. This will slow down our VoiceOver. Now, we just have to click Done and generate voice so that it will be added to our Canva project. And that's how we slow down the voice in Canva. With these simple adjustments, we can make our audio sound clearer and better match our visuals.